Follow these 4 simple steps with these 6 ingredients to get really good grocery store frosting. You will need 2 pounds of powdered sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of shortening, 4 tablespoons of water, 1½ tablespoons of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Add shortening, butter, vanilla, and water. Step 2. Mix slowly while adding sugar. Step 3. Attach pouring shield and add the remaining sugar. Step 4. Mix for 15 minutes. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be making more cake-related videos in the future.